Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Team Rusteze. So, the members are, and you should probably already know this by now, but I'm going to say it anyway. Lightning McQueen, Not Chuck, and Mack, Big Boy Mack, Big Daddy. Big Mack, he's big. Big Mack! Yes, I'm going to call him Big Mack from now on. Let's start talking about the racer. Lightning McQueen. I made a video about all my different variants of him. Promotion video. It's got about 5,000 views, so well done. So, with 7 Piston Cup win, trophies, and a passion for motorsports, Lightning McQueen has earned the reputation of a world champion. His racing career is riding high until the formidable Jackson Storm and the next generation racers enter the scene. For the first time, McQueen finds himself wondering if he really is quicker than quick and faster than fast. As he navigates a career crossroads, number 95 will discover what racing really means to him and how being in the sport will shape his future. Nice. So, let's have a little look around him. Now, this is the Cars 1 Lightning McQueen, you could probably tell. Cars 1 Mack, Big Mack. Then there's Not Chuck, who only appeared in Cars A. But, yeah, we're looking at McQueen now, so he's got, lightning bolt on the side. Because his name is Lightning after all. Though his real name, not sure if you know this, but is Montgomery McQueen. What's he? Nice big smile and blue eyes, which movie accurate. I mean, of course they're accurate. He's very accurate because he is the main character after all. You can see Lightning McQueen, his name here. Yeah, you get it. 3 window bars. I believe some other races have 2 and 4, and I think very few of them have 5. Actually, big, what's this? Lightning bolt on the side. Really going the lightning theme on here, isn't he? You can see contingency sponsors, all the same. Now, but because it's a Thailand variant, the decals are little grainy, as you can probably tell. Now turn on to the back, you can see Rusteze 95 on the rear brake line, and the yellow rookie stripe, which signifies the rookie, which is actual by NASCAR, by the way. So that was good to know, wasn't it? Now let's move on to his hauler, Big Mack. Now, if there's one vehicle that has been with McQueen since nearly the very beginning, it's Big Mack. Although he's technically a race transporter, Mack is so much more involved in McQueen. Mack is McQueen's company and good friends always on board. He's always reliable, always there, and always ready to roll. Whereas to get McQueen to the Demolition Derby, we're transporting him all the way to the Florida 500. There we go, big. There we go. For Canada to catch him from his trailer. Let's look at the cab first. You can see he's based on a Mack Superliner, 1980s. McQueen, yeah, it's a good question because McQueen is based on he's based on multiple cars, including the C1 and C6 Corvette, Mark 1 Viper, I believe, and obviously a NASCAR stock car, noughties. See Mack, he's got Rusteze, the Rusteze logo, the white background, as you can probably tell, with stickers peeling off a little. Let's see what colour eyes he's got. Greeny blue eyes, from what I can see. Lightning 95, bolt, name. Now let's look at the trailer itself. Wow, gosh, this is so big. Can't even fit on the screen. As you can see, is McQueen with lightning bolts in the background, and there's a Rusteze logo right here. Let's have a look. Contingency sponsors, yes, and this time I can actually see them clearly. So as you can see there, Gasprin, Tank Coat, Shiny Mack, Transbro Juice, Toe Cap, Shifty Drug, Revolting Weakless, Retread, Octane Gain, Easy Idol, No Store Gaskets, Mood Springs, and Nitroade. That was a lot. How many was there? I don't know. But, not Dynacon HDB, because they probably don't want their sponsors on the lesser known race cars, I guess. Because on the back there's McQueen again. As you can probably see on the back, McQueen again. 95, like McQueen, yeah, you get it already. Here we go. And last but not least, it's not Chuck. Let's see, in Cars, not Chuck first appears when McQueen are making a pit stop and most being in the south. When McQueen declines getting tyres and orders his crew to only give him fuel before he drives back onto the track. Not Chuck, however, angrily tells him he needs tyres, to which McQueen doesn't listen. However, this causes him to burst his rear tyres. After the McQueen, the King, and Chick X tying first place. Not Chuck and the pit crew are seen changing McQueen's tyres whilst being interviewed by Corey Turbowitz. He then tells Not Chuck to get out of the way of a cameraman who's trying to get a view on McQueen's bolt sticker on a TV camera. Not Chuck becomes fed up with McQueen's snobbish attitude, and he and the rest of his team quit with one last remark. "We quit, Mr. One Man Show," and yelling, "My name is Not Chuck," after McQueen calls him Chuck. Not Chuck doesn't appear in the film again. It's unknown what became of Not Chuck and his colleagues after leaving McQueen's team, although they probably either retired or found a new job. Now, here's some trivia. Fun fact: he's actually called Charles. Good to know. Now, here are his releases. He was first released in 2008, then again in 2009 with McQueen and Mack, and then in 2000 again with McQueen and Mack again, then 2015, then in 2021 with Strip Weathers, Chick X, Finish Line McQueen, Aiken Axler, Krusty Rota, Mia and Tia, as well as a couple others. And, nice. Now let's have a look at him. As you can tell, he's the same model as Dudley Spare, and the same expression as well. Rusteze 95. Not the most exciting out there, but probably my favourite Pitty, this model. Yeah, red's my favourite colour, so there we go. A big 95 on top, which is lovely. I love it. I love you, Chuck. I love your design, I mean. You got a lightning bolt like McQueen. Some reason Mack, he doesn't have one up here, does he? Now let's look at his toolbox. Obviously 95 on either side. They got drawers, wheels. Like all the other toolboxes, they obviously your wheels don't roll. And if you've seen any of the videos which has pitties in them, and you know what I'm gonna say about the tires. Let me guess, they're inaccurate. Yeah, they are inaccurate. You're right. Whoever said that, Mr. John Smith. I know you're watching. But but you can see there's this little hole in there which Charles can poke in, which Charles can poke his fork in. He got to McQueen, and yeah, you get it. When looks kind of cool, but really it should be more like this. There we go. I did it. Finally. Nice, reached the 10-minute mark. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. My precious.